Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how to copy crosshairs of anyone, for example, pro player or anyone. You can just copy it crosshair and that will help you a lot to improve your gameplay. Well, how you can do it? First of all, you will need to go ahead and open your browser and search for crosshair. So let's search for crosshair, so Valorant, crosshair. And here you will find this website which is VCRDB. So here you will find multiple filters. So let's choose teams, and this one will give us the pro players crosshair. For example, there is Tens, Yai, Saki, Shroud, Asuna, Creo, Scream, Dep, Let's Grow, and so go on the list, which is really long. So now, for example, in order to be able to copy a crosshair, you will just have to go to any crosshair of these. So, for example, let's say this one, and you check if it's good. So these are multiple like templates for the crosshair, and then you click here to copy crosscode. After that, you go to Valorant, and you click here into the circle which is on the top right corner, and then click on settings. Here we just have general controls, crosshair video audio, so click on crosshair, and then you just have to create a new profile. For me, for example, I will go to this tutorial profile and I will click on import profile code, and I will just paste the code here, click on import, and here we go. Now as you can see, here is my crosshair, which is the one that we found on this website, as you can see right here. So here it is. This is the primary one. You can edit it if you want. From here you can add shape to it, color to it, or whatever you want to it, to make it like fit your gameplay. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you for watching.